I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let me show you how to factory reset this watch. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings. Under settings, this is the main settings page. Scroll down on that settings page until you get to general. Tap on that. And then under general, scroll and you should see reset. Tap on that. And then it's going to warn you if you reset, all personal information will be erased from your watch. You can back up your data before resetting and you can restore it later on this watch or a new watch. So scroll and tap on reset once again. Now it's going to start by backing up my watch data to Samsung Cloud, and then after it's going to reset. So just be patient, wait it out. And now after backing up, it should start the reset process, which includes deleting all your data from the watch. And that's it. So as you can see, we are done. And that's basically how to factory reset your watch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.